Hello everybody, so this is the configuration error that I faced while launching the NVM launch.nvim while launching the launch.nvim, right? So I have first error was the accept so here in comment.lua in line 24, right? Attempted to call a setup, so we have the value nil 0, so nil value. So this is our second problem. Let's look at our first problem. First problem was on this line, so we have this run config for new test. So I need to install the nvim view, so install at this location. So we have this github link for first for this. So I just have to be inside the user. So let me just open the terminal, full screen. So if we go inside the nconfig, right? So we have ls. So we go on nvm. So in the screen, the ls. Then we have this lua. So let's go inside lua. So then we have the user. Now let's look at over here. So what was the problem was problem was I need to install the package on new test or lazy. So if we just look at the lazy so here where is the requirement? No, here. So we have the another file that would be in or new test. So we need to be on new test this dot file. Let me just quit it. So I'm still using this nvim, so let me just show you on nvim. So here we're on our dependency, right? So here we can add this line and vm new test and vm nvm dash and io. So once you have use that, right? So you can just do nvm then it will start to install the dependency. Now let's look at the next error. So second error was on this fail to run a config or comment.nvim. So next let's look at the comment file. So we just inside here. So function, so lazy, it's not here. It's over on line 24. Make sure requires ts underscore context underscore comment string dot setup. So here default would be false, so make it true. So enable auto command equal to true if you have done that, right? So now that error should go and you should have the clean. Thank you guys.